So this is going to be a bit of a strange video. I technically live in like a valley. Due to all the rain, I don't know if you probably hear this window, there's rain and wind hitting this window right now. But because of that, I've had to move house, so to speak. I'm temporarily staying in like a mansion. It's a hostel in its day-to-day normal, non-COVID life, so there's no one here. So my flatmates and I have moved here. It's really strange to have the full run of the place to ourselves and the grounds. We're super grateful that we could stay here, but yeah, it's quite surreal in a way. Hey, so I thought I'd film a little video from, I guess, the garden. The good news is that I'm back. I actually spent a few weeks at that mansion, but it does feel good to be back. And what's even better is that spring is on the way. I think the past few days I have been noticing that the weather's getting warmer, the days are getting longer, so it means time to plant seeds. And I'm super excited for these two. I never thought I'd be excited about growing veg, but last year I started my tomatoes way too late, and of course the weather for lockdown was really good for like March, April, May and a bit of June, and then the rest of June, July and August was just rain. So this year I've bought polytunnel, which I'm quite excited about, and I'm going to grow these in it. Last year my tomatoes didn't turn red, so I made some lovely red chutney, but I would really like some red tomatoes. So I've got a red cherry edition and a sweet baby one. So yeah, I've already sown some peppers, cucumbers and something else. But yeah, they're all going to go in the polytunnel. I'm going to do that thing where I get way too excited and I plant way too many seeds. Wow, these are tiny. Well, I hope these all sow. The garden is, I've got the cabbage still, some onions, spring onions, some garlic and the leek still, and the strawberries and the raspberries and the blackcurrants. The garden's not too bad. It does need a sort, as all gardens do after winter. And then there's more in this one. yeah, I'm super happy to be back.